for discussion is 2 program of Amazon. 1 is local shops on Amazon. 2 is FBA Go Local. Amazon Local Shop. It is a program that allows physical stores to sell their products on Amazon and offer local delivery to customers. This can be a great way for local businesses to reach a wider audience and increase sales. If you want to sell product locally in your city or area, then you should enroll in Amazon Local Shops. To enroll in Local Shop, log in your Seller Central, then click on Setting, then click on Shipping Setting. Here you will find Local Shops Enable or Disable button. To enable Local Shop button, you have to fulfill or deliver order on your responsibility. Means you have to go with self-ship.ie Easy Ship plus self-ship. FBA Go Local. It is a program that allows sellers to store their products in fulfillment centers that are closer to their customers. This can result in faster delivery times and lower shipping costs for customers. This program is a little bit expensive as compared with Local Shops program. To be eligible for the Go Local program, sellers must have a valid business license or GST number in the state or province where they want to store their products. The Go Local program can be a great way for sellers to improve their customer experience and reduce their shipping costs. However, it is important to note that there are some additional fees associated with the program. Sellers should carefully consider their sales volume and shipping costs to determine if the Go Local program is right for them. If you find it informative, then share it with others.